Man, alright. Today, I think I'm just gonna watch some TV. Hey, kids! Do you have trouble listening in class? Or you just want to fidget or something? Well, you can get your own fidget cube and fidget spinner. The fidget cube is my personal favorite because it has all these things you can fidget with. You can read the box. You can read on the box. It'll show you everything. Yeah, I like the fidget spinner. Anyway, next is the fidget spinner. This thing can fidget. This thing. Can someone hand me the script? Can someone hand me the script, please? Okay. Anyway, now you can spin it, and it goes for about like maybe 2 minutes long. Okay. Yeah, it's very, very good. Anyway, but you know what's even more special? This one goes in the dark. Follow me to the bathroom. Okay, well, we're having difficulties here, and it looks like I can't really see. We're going to have to put it closer. Can you see it?
It's right there.
Can you see it? You can't see it. Well, you're just going to find out for yourself, okay? Okay, well, that wasn't as real as we planned to have it, but anyway. But just get your fidget spinner and get the last fidget cube, because this is the last one. Because I've been playing with it all day, yep. Anyway, but get it now. Now you just have to call these numbers.
805.
Wait, stop. I forgot. You can also use the fidget spinner as a weapon. For example, if you hate someone like, hey, Yoshi. I think he has a concussion now. Anyway, now
Wee-woo. It's okay. I'm the hospital lady. Wee-woo.
Anyway, now you just have to call these numbers.
805, 882, 300.
Fidget
toys.
I need one of those. I need the last fidget cube and last fidget spinner. With glowing one.
Me too.
Wait, where'd you come from?
I don't even know.
Okay, I need that number. Alright, what do you need? Just fidget toys, I meant. Oh, I need one glow-in-the-dark fidget spinner, one more fidget spinner. Wait, tell what color? Yellow. Alright, one yellow fidget spinner, one blue glow-in-the-dark fidget spinner, and one blue camouflage fidget cube. Alright, well, the fidget spinners are $5 each, so that'll be $10, and the fidget cube's like $6, so $16. Okay, $16. Okay, that's how much money I got. Okay, thanks. Alright, man, I can't wait for whenever my fidget spinner comes in.
Oh yeah.
Shoot, I fell.
Why did you fall? Get
Oh,
up.
no, wait, I heard something. There we go, answer the door.
Oh, okay. Let's go.
Gosh, I can't hold on my arm. Please help me now. Yes, you win. Oh my gosh. Okay, oh gosh. Okay. Yes, it's so. Alright, but where's the money? Where's my money? Run! Wait, I didn't scream to that. Oh no. Sir?
I think he's dead.
It's okay, I guess. It doesn't matter, okay? Oh my god. Okay.
Let me open my fidget spinner.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
My fidget cube. It's so fidget.
I can't get this.
My glow fidget spinner. Yes! I got it. Okay, it sounds okay.
Wow.
Well,
It matches me.
Yeah, mine doesn't
It
really
matches
match me.
mine.
Okay.
Wow.
Well, the fidget cube is my favorite. Oh, yeah. Fidget.
Wow.
Oh,
Is it really your favorite?
Yes, fidget.
Wow. I like fidget spinners.
Here, you got my fidget spinner.
Rad, dude. That's so rad.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, fidget.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You know, we need to have a party. This is.
Oh, I wonder if you put it next to your face. Oh.
I'm okay. Wait. I need fish voice.
Okay.
Okay, that's weird. Fidget.
So,
Don't forget to turn off the lights.
Yeah, it's time for bed. So
What? Fine, we'll just
let me turn on the light. There we go. All right.
Come on,
Good
Tom.
night. Good night.
Fidget. Oh, yeah.
What is that noise?
Fidget.
What the?
I need to spin.
What? Joseph!
What?
What are you doing?
Well,
What time is it? Let me check. It's the middle of the night.
I'm sorry. It's so addictive. And you, it's so addictive.
Well, you need to go to bed sometime.
Fine.
I'm taking this away if you don't stop.
All right. Okay. Good night.
Good night. What? Oh, not again. Ugh, again? Really? Give me that. No.
My precious.
Go asleep. Good night.
You know what? I need to get my fidget spinner. I mean my fidget. Okay.
Who goes there?
Wait. I'm gonna skate now. I'm not gonna.
Chocolate bars. Oh man. Good morning, Joseph. Joseph? Where's Joseph? He usually sleeps up here. Joseph! Where's the fidget cube? Joseph! Oh no. Joseph, I told you. Wherever you are. I told you not to play with it. I told you not to play with that.
I need to play with it.
Joseph!
What?
I told you to stop playing with that. Give me that.
No.
Give me the cube.
Precious.
I told you to stop playing with it. No. How about you play with the fidget spinner?
No. That fidget spinner sucks. I want the fidget cube.
Well, too bad.
Hey. What's your favorite color? Mine too.
What are you doing?
I'm talking to my new friend. Say hi.
He's not even real.
Shut up. He's real. All right. So yeah, look, he's gonna move. See, he moved.
What? There's something called gravity.
No, you let him pick it up. Oh, yes.
You're just creeping me out. Give me that too.
You've gone too far, Toad.
Well, what do you mean? What? Man. Well, it's time to rest now. Because I had to wake up 2 times in the middle of the night. But now there's no more distractions. Huh? What? No, probably nothing. You're stupid. I told you. I want to break up with you. It's morning time. Well, it was morning time when I fell asleep. But... Did he steal it again? Oh my goodness. I guess there's no use of trying.
Well, I got over it now, Mac.
Wait, what?
Well, yeah, Mac. Dude, now I'm not gonna play in the middle of the night anymore. I'm not gonna get too addicted. I realized that I was too hard on you. Oh, yeah. Anyway, I'm only gonna play for a little bit. Okay.
Okay. The end.